Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the update has been pushed to Microsoft Edge. Of course, we have the weekly Chromium security updates that we talk about, and they were pushed this week for Chrome, and now they are available for Microsoft Edge also today, July 19th, 2024. Of course, if you have a Chromium-based browser, whatever it is, Brave, Opera, and so on, do check for updates as the security updates are being pushed. In Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go to Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge. You'll be moved to version 126.0.2592.113. Fixes, of course, all of the security flaws. I believe there were 10 security flaws, most of them high severity for Chromium. But it also fixes a bug. A lot of users have reported that on certain types of websites, when using some of the special features for disabilities and so on in Edge, there actually was an error message that was showing up that a lot of people have mentioned, depending on how you are set up. So it was a access violation type error message that would show up, and the status access violation is now fixed. So they fixed a bug at the same time as they're sending out the security updates. So it's important. This is your first line of defense. Do check your browser for all the security updates to make sure that you are safe, as this is the #1 security fix, the most important of all. After that, what you do is the second one. Antivirus, it's not even in the top 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.